Hey guys, Noah Williams Pyrotechnics. On March 31st will be the part 2 stash. I don't know the time, but we'll be on March 31st sometime. I'll be doing the unboxing again. So, I'll also do a review on the part 1 stash, for those that might have forgot to see the video. Part 2 stash, March 31st, Eastern Standard Time. I don't know the time, though. It's probably gonna be the same time as last. Like on February 24th. I'm not sure, though. We will do an unboxing. It'll be a little different, but it'll be fun. You know? Well, that will be my update for Noah Williams Pyrotechnics. And cut.